Here's the olive Johns right here. You want to open it? Okay. Here's oh, what was that? Is that a little denim tears hoodie? Okay. Got the gray joints to go with them. Okay. Let me see the grays. Okay. Got the little denim tears. Okay. Alright. Got the little tears going on. Alright. Got the cactus, the olives. Doing a little unboxing. We're going to tie them up and review them later. This is just some like pre-game. If anybody wants to know what they look like when they come. What does the paper look like? The paper is nice. It says Nike Air. Got a little fizzy Nike. Cactus Jack. That's our boy Trav. Looks real nice. How's the box look? The box looks nice. These are for ladies. These actually are ladies. These aren't mine. My ladies. Cactus Jack. Let's see. Comes with the shoestrings. I think these come with red joints too. Got the green joints. Little green jointies. Got the red joints. Okay. Damn, let me hold it back so they can see the whole box. Got the red. Got the green. Alright. Lift them out the box. Let's see. Got the white shoelace come with them. Got that. Let me see what it. Alright, these is nice. Come with the little guards and stuff. Let's see what the backs. Alright, you got one. That's the back of one. That's what it looks like. Oh, these are nice. These are real nice. These are for ladies. These aren't for the guys. Let's see the other one. The back of the other one. Okay, Air Jordan, these is real nice to see the inside. What does it say inside? It says Cactus Jack. Inside this, it says Cactus Jack. Got the Cactus, the 23. Very, very nice. This is how it comes. No laces. This is just a little intro. We do a little 3 minutes on this. The box, how does the box inside? It says swoosh inside the box. It says, got the Nike sign on it. What's inside this box? So the same thing. Nike, swoosh, Nike. What is that? I don't know. That might be from Stock. I don't know if that's from StockX. That comes with it because always got to pay $1 million for it. So I don't know. That's it with the paper. Let's do another little spin before you lace them up. You want to lace them up nice, mister?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, got the little StockX. Little StockX verification. I wonder does anybody ever do the little verification things? Alright, so let's put them together. Let's do a front.
What color?
Huh?
What you want?
I don't know.
Red in this. Red in the olive.
I'm saying it's for a lady, so we could do
the red and olive.
Huh? You want to do the red? You want to do the red and olive?
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do. Got the Cactus Jack thing on the side right there, on the tongue. Let me see. Anything else? Got the Nike inside. What?
Just rip it off.
Wait. Hold on. I'm gonna cut that off. I'll cut that off. Is there anything special on this?
No.
No. Just regular Jordan, nothing regular. That has That's dope how it has the 23 and the Air Jordan and everything inside. Can you see that? Air Jordan 23 with the flames. The Jumpman. Just say Nike. Don't say anything special there. Say anything special here. Nothing. Alright, that's it.
Hi, Miss Mary.
That's it. That's the review. I'm saying that's the unboxing. We'll do a little after effects on them. You lacing them up already? You know how to lace them up good? Come on. Because you got the little corny sweater on. Can I beat it? With the little J's on? Beat it. Major correction. They pointed out that there are white, red, black, and olive strings. I thought there was only the olive and the red, but they have 1, 2, 3, 4 strings in here. It's a lot of shoestrings for 2 shoes. But we're going to make it happen. How you doing over there, mister? You lacing them up? Let me see how you lace them up. I don't know if that's lit, though. Is that lit?
Man, because these are so thin.
Huh?
They're thin.
You're thin?
They're mad thin.
I'm saying, is that a good lace lace pattern over there?
Man, it's crazy.
Huh?
It's crazy lace pattern.
I don't know, man. I'm gonna call the feds on you. It don't look like you lacing it right. You lacing it right?
I'm lacing it right.
Huh?
I'm lacing it right.
Mr. Tears over there, you lacing them right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Well, this is a correction on the box. Look, you only did one. You've been lacing them for like 20 minutes. Huh?
Yeah.
Why you lacing them so slow?
I'm lacing it tight.
Huh?
I'm trying to do it the right way, you know?
You trying to do it the right way? Why you got your legs crossed like that, man?
So it don't fall.
Huh? Oh, okay. You was looking kind of suspect right there. Pause. You lacing them? So what? You don't like the way they came out?
I don't like this how thin they're feeling.
You don't like the way thin the shoelaces are? Yeah, they are crazy thin. They're crazy thin.
Oh, no, these are the real shoes. No.
They thick? I'm saying, how was the white ones?
Huh?
How was the white ones?
Same thing.
Huh?
It's the same thing.
Same thing? Alright.
See, that's better. I made it longer. Do you want to make it so I could tie it?
Nah, she be tucking them all the
So
time.
lace it?
Huh?
So how you want to super?
Nah, just leave them loose and then leave them so she could tuck them. She tucks them all the time. Saying they fire though. I like them. So I see why the dudes be stealing them because that's a nice green.
I don't know how to do it like a ring.
Huh?
I don't know how you do it like the Ricks.
Like the what?
Ricks.
Like the Ricks?
Yeah, how you?
Nah, the Ricks got all types of laces.
Alright. Okay.
I got some more Ricks coming too.
Ooh.
23.
Oh, these are like the same thing.
They're the same thing? The reds is trash too? You gonna do one red, one green?
Yeah. So everybody rock them.
That's how everybody rock them? Alright. I'm saying they fire little joints. I don't know. Man, you did the laces wild though. I said they look kind of wild. Is that?
Cause the thin laces.
The thin laces? I don't know. They look kind of.
That's how your shoes would look like if you had these laces on.
That's how my shoes?
Yeah, cause they're like.
I wore these. They mad dirty, but we doing a little glow in the dark joint. So. I got that glows in the dark. I wonder if this little Kanye West shirt glow in the dark. We'll see.
I mean, it blings.
Huh?
It blings.
Got the Kanye West shirt on. Let me see. Let me see that. I got it. Let me see the Kanye West. Can you see the little vultures? I'll do a review on the vultures so they can see. You dropped the strings on the floor, bro.
Looking for it.
Yeah. Saying they looking good though. I don't know about these laces. You might have to get fired from this little job. It's kind of booty. It's kind of bootylicious.